Students, we will see exercise 1.2. Few sums we will do it. The rest of the things you can try at home. Okay. Now, first one is find the type 1. Find the derivative of the function y equal to f of x using the derivative of inverse function, using the derivatives of inverse function, that is x equal to f inverse of y. I will explain to you what is the meaning of this first of all. See, for example, we will take first sum y equal to root x. Here y is a function of x. This is what this. Now what we want, first we have to find out x in terms of y. See here, first we have to find out the inverse function of y equal to f of x. That means here you see y is with respect to x, but what we have to do, x with respect to y, x in terms of y. That means you are going to write the function x in terms of y. So we will convert that. Then what we will have to do, we will have to find out dx by dy. Then 1 upon dx by dy equal to dy by dx. I will tell you why. See now here, given y equal to root x. Now squaring on both the sides, what we will get, y square equal to square root of x square, that is equal to x. That means you have got x equal to y square. See here, see now we got x in terms of y. So now what you have to do, you have to find out the derivative of x with respect to y, not with respect to x, with respect to y. See here, this is you consider as y, this you consider x, x to the power n formula 2y. Okay, now we have to resubstitute the value. See, dy by dx equal to 2 into, what is your original y? Root x. Now this we have got inverse function dx upon dy. Dx upon dy we have got, therefore, but what we want, find the derivative of y using inverse function. So dy by dx equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. So it is equal to 1 upon, see, dx by dy 2 root x. This is how we have to find out the derivative of the given function by using inverse of the function. Okay. Now one more sum we will do, you will understand better. Now look at this. Another sum we will try. For sum y equal to log of 2x minus 1. As I told you, we have to find out the inverse function. We have to find the inverse function of y equal to f of x. That is, we want to write this as x in terms of y, x in terms of y. Now how to convert it, that is very important. Now I'll tell you. See, y equal to log of 2x minus 1. What I do? I will raise to power e on both the sides, right? Now you tell me what is e to the power log x equal to x. This is one formula. What is the formula? E to the power log of x equal to x. So now here e to the power y equal to, can you tell me this, what we will write? 2x minus 1 into log e. That is e raised to y equal to 2x minus 1. But what is log e? Log e is equal to 1. But what is our ultimate aim? We have to find out x in terms of y. So this we will take it here. E raised to y plus 1 equal to 2x. But again we want x only. So e raised to y plus 1 upon 2 equal to x. So now our objective is achieved. Now what we have written? We have written x in terms of y. See, we have written x in terms of y. So now we will differentiate. Dx upon dy equal to 1 upon 2 into d by dy of e raised to y plus 1 by 2. See, mind well, we are differentiating with respect to y, not x. So what is the derivative of e raised to y? E raised to y plus 0. So e raised to y upon 2. So what we got? Dx upon dy. But what we want ultimately? Dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx equal to 1 upon dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon e raised to y upon 2. 1 means what? 1 upon 1. So 1 upon 1 into 2 upon e raised to y equal to 2 upon e raised to y. This is your dy by dx. Followed? Now what is y? That again you have to write. Now we have written, what we have written is 1 upon log 2x minus 1. We have written x is equal to 1 upon 2 e to the power y. So, but now what is e to the power, sorry, y we have to write. Dy by dx equal to 2 upon e to the power, what is y? Log 2x minus 1. Log 2x minus 1. Again this formula I told you, what is the e raised to log x? X. So 2 upon 2x minus 1. Because what is the reason? E raised to log of 2x minus 1 equal to 2x minus 1 into log e. But log is 1. So 2x minus 1. This is what I put here. I think you might have followed now. Now we will do one more sum, we will understand. This is of different type. Now next type we will see. Now here it is like this. Find the derivative of the inverse function of the following. See type 2. Find the derivative of inverse function of the following. Well, first sum, y equal to x square into e to the power x. Now listen very carefully. This is type 2. Find the derivative of the inverse function of the following. That means you have to find out dx by dy. What you have to find out? Dx by dy. So what we will do? First we will find out dy by dx. Then we will put 1 upon. Okay. That means now differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to UV method. This is of which method? UV method. Keep u and differentiate v and keep v and differentiate x u. So it is x square into, what is the derivative of e to the power x? It is e to the power x only. Now keep e to the power x into, what is the derivative of x square? 2x. So here in this 2, what is common? If you wanted, you can take x is common and e raised to x is also common. So in x square, x we have taken, so x will remain plus here this is gone 2. So it is your dy by dx. But what do you want? Derivative of inverse function. That means they want dx upon dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So is equal to 1 upon x into e raised to x into x plus 2. So here therefore derivative of inverse function is given by, so this we have to write. I think you might have followed. Now one more sum we will do. See, second sum we will do y equal to x cos x. Same thing, differentiating with respect to x, what you will get? Dy by dx equal to uv formula. Keep u and differentiate v, keep v, differentiate x. So x into derivative of cos x plus v we kept and derivative of x with respect to x. So x into, what is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x plus cos x. What is the derivative of x with respect to x? 1. See here. So 1. So dy by dx equal to, minus you take it out, minus x sin x plus cos x. Or we write, if you want, cos x minus x sin x. Now, but what we want? Therefore, the derivative of inverse function of y equal to f of x is given by inverse function you want. So dx upon dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx. So is equal to 1 upon, what is dy by dx? Cos x minus x sin x. This is how we have to do this sum. Now one more sum we will do. This is a very interesting type actually. You should know it, how to do it. And you have to practice also at home. Now third one, y equal to x log x. So as usual we will do differentiating with respect to x. What we will get? Dy by dx equal to, same thing, uv formula, x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x. So dy by dx equal to x into, what is the derivative of log x? 1 upon x. So log x, what is the derivative of x with respect to x? 1. So 1 plus log x. Now what we have to do? We have to write the same step. Therefore, the derivative of inverse function of y equal to f of x is given by dx by dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus log x. That's all. It's very simple thing. Now what we will do, another type 3 we will do certain sums. Type 3. Find the derivative of inverse of the following functions. Find the derivatives of inverse functions of the following. First sum we will do y equal to x to the power 5 plus 2x cube plus 3x at x equal to 1. This is same as the previous sum only. Only thing we have to find out finally the derivative at x equal to 1. Now differentiating with respect to x, what we will do? Dy by dx equal to, what is the derivative of x to the power 5? X to the power n formula. X to the power n formula plus 3 into 1. So I got 5x raised to 4 plus 6x square plus 3. It is your dy by dx. But what we want? Derivative of inverse function we want. Therefore, the derivative of inverse function of y equal to f of x is given by dx by dy equal to 1 upon dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 5 into x to the power 4 plus 6x square plus 3. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the derivative of inverse function. We got it at x equal to 1. That means dx upon dy at x equal to 1. So 1 upon, you put value of x as 1. This is how you have to do the sum. We will do one more sum, then you will understand better. One more sum we will do. Second sum, y equal to e to the power x plus 3x plus 2. Same thing, differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx equal to d by dx of e raised to x plus d by dx of 3x plus d by dx of 2. So it is e to the power x plus 3 into derivative of x with respect to x plus derivative of constant is 0. So e raised to x plus 3. So it is your dy by dx. Now what we have to write? Therefore, the derivative of inverse function of y equal to f of x is given by, what do you want? Dx upon dy equal to 1 upon dy by upon dx. So is equal to 1 upon e raised to x plus 3. Now what we want? We want the value at x equal to 0. Dx by dy at x equal to 0 equal to 1 upon e to the power 0 plus 3. What is e raised to 0? 1. So this is how you have to do the sum. And one more sum we will do it now. This is type 3 over. Now type 4. Type 4 is what? Differentiate with respect to x. What is the function given is y equal to tan inverse log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to, what is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 upon 1 plus x square. So derivative of tan inverse x means 1 upon 1 plus x square. Here what is there? Uska square. So it is 1 upon 1 plus log x the whole square. Understand? Into derivative of the things which are inside the bracket, log x. So 1 upon 1 plus log x the whole square into, what is the derivative of log x? 1 upon x. So it is 1 upon x into 1 plus log x the whole square. This is your dy by dx. That's all. So one more problem we will see in this type. Differentiate cot inverse of x cube with respect to x. Therefore, let y equal to cot inverse of x cube. So, differentiating with respect to x. Now, what is the derivative of cot inverse x? Minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. That's all. There is no change in that. Okay. So, dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus, instead of x, what is there? X cube. Into d by dx of the things available inside the bracket. So, dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power 6 into derivative of x square is 3x square. So, minus 3x square upon 1 plus x to the power 6. This is nothing but the required derivative. Okay. Now, one more sum in this we will do. Differentiate tan inverse root x with respect to x. Same type of problem. So, we will write let y equal to tan inverse root x. Now, what is the derivative of root x? 1 upon 2 root x. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 upon 1 plus x square. Mind well. So, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to 1 upon 1 plus root x the whole square into d by dx of root x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus what is square root of x square? X into what is the derivative of root x? I told you 1 upon 2 root x. So, dy by dx equal to 1 upon 2 root x into 1 plus x. This is how we can do it. Now, other types you will see in the next class. Okay.